Very good news. Cancer may have a new kryptonite of sorts. British researchers discovering a new way to identify immune cells that are capable of detecting tumors. This, of course, opens a path for treatments to take down cancer. Joining us for more on the discovery is Professor at NYU Medical Center, Dr. Roshini Raj. Dr. Raj, good to see you. Thanks for coming in. What is new and most exciting to you about this discovery?
Well, you know, immunotherapy, where we use the body's own immune system to fight cancer, is one of the newest ways to treat cancer right now. And this is a real breakthrough in that field, where these scientists found a way to really identify which specific immune cells, we call them T cells, can identify the cancer cells specifically and really kill them in large numbers. So right now, a lot of the immunotherapy treatments available are successful only about a third of the patients. In this type of breakthrough, they really were able to identify T helper cells that could really kill a large majority of cancer cells.
Without getting too much in the weeds here, and I may make medical mistakes, so forgive me, but it sounds like it's a customized sort of vaccine for an individual depending on their particular kind of cancer, not just particular in a general sense, but specific to that patient. That sounds very expensive. Is that what they're looking for?
They are, you know, so each tumor is different, and each tumor, the cells tend to mutate, and that's why it's so difficult to treat. They change, and it's hard to target that. But in this experiment, they found a way to really find out what those mutations are and which immune cells of the patient's own blood can actually attack those specific mutated cells. So
but again, I hate to get too practical here, but we got to think of money, because not everybody has the money for this kind of treatment. Wouldn't it be outrageously expensive?
Well, any treatment like this is outrageously expensive in the beginning. And by the way, this is just a very preliminary study. The clinical trials will probably be started in the next 2 years. So we're quite a far away from, you know, when this will be readily available. But as, you know, treatments get more researched and they're used more often, the costs tend to come down at some point. But yes, this will be potentially a very expensive treatment.
Yeah, but hopefully the incentives eventually will be there so that the prices do come down. Dr. Raj, great to see you. Thank you very much. Appreciate you being here.
Thank you.